Deepwater was contracted to use the Pipeline Excavation Tool, referred to as the PET, to place RetroClamps on two side-by-side pipelines buried under mud in shallow water located in Louisiana's coastal wetlands. Both pipes were beneath 1/2 to 1.5 feet of water. The 48-inch main oil line was under another 6 feet of mud, and the adjacent 30-inch brine line was under 4 to 5 feet of mud. Wanting to avoid the time, expense, and inherent liabilities of using divers for this operation, the operator chose to use the PET to remove the mud cover. The PET uses two 150 psi pumps to liquefy the mud, and another pump removes the slurry, allowing the device to lower itself onto the pipe. The RetroClamp, with its leads attached beforehand, is then lowered onto the pipe, and the contact tip is tightened with a reach rod to make an electrical connection to the pipe. In this instance, a new ground bed was being installed, and this connection would provide the negative. The 48-inch main oil line had a 6-inch concrete weight coat, but a 49-inch RetroClamp was attached to a girth weld where there was no concrete coat. The 30-inch brine line had an estimated 4-inch concrete weight coat, so a water blaster was used to create a thinner spot in the concrete for the contact tip to adequately penetrate it. This quick operation was done topside with access through the top of the PET. Once it was in position, the PET excavated through 5 to 6 feet of mud in 2 hours. The clamps took another 30 minutes to an hour to install.